In today's video, I'm going to share a simple DIY remedy on how to whiten your teeth, remove stains from your teeth. So stay tuned. So to make this remedy, you will need activated charcoal. You can check out my video on how to make your activated charcoal at home. And if you don't have activated charcoal, you can buy activated charcoal capsule. So into the bowl, I'll be adding half teaspoon of activated charcoal. Another wonderful ingredient I'll be using is bicarbonate soda. Bicarbonate soda is so effective for removing stain and also to whiten your teeth. So I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. Then hydroperoxide. Hydroperoxide will function as a bleaching agent. It will help to whiten the surface of the teeth. So I'll be adding half teaspoon of hydroperoxide. Then I'm going to be adding toothpaste. Feel free to use any toothpaste of your choice. When I'm done combining all the ingredients, I'm going to stir to mix properly. You can store in a container and use whenever you want. When you want to brush your teeth, just apply some of this on your toothbrush, then use it to brush your teeth, then rinse. You will see a very massive effect. This will help to brighten your teeth, remove any stain, and also freshen your breath. All the combination of ingredients I use for making this will help to whiten your teeth, and they are very effective for removing any stain. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.